Hello, welcome to my channel. We're still learning how to use Python to do some very great image editing. We've already learned how to resize photos. We've learned how to rotate photos with the powerful library of Pillow. Now today in this video we'll be looking at how to crop images. What if you have a number of photos and you need to crop them according to a certain specification or a certain resolution? So how do we do that? Let's dive in. So you import your OS, import PR from image, and then let's specify our parameters. This will be our source folder, and once the output, when we're done, the cropped should go to a folder we're going to be calling cropped. So what you do once you have a crop box, what this means is you're going to specify how do you want to do your cropping. So for example, look at this image, and this is what we want to make our crop. So you're going to specify what is this point, x1, y1, and then what will be this point where you stop, s2, y2. You need to get the coordinates according to the resolution, the width and height of your image. So in our case, we're going to say 500, 400, 2000, 1200 because our image is quite large. Look at this. This is a 2560 by 1712. The same with this, same with this, same with this. So you need to bear in mind the figures. Okay, so now we say if the directory does not exist, then you create it, and then in that directory let us pick the photos one by one. With image.open, you open the first file, and then it's a cropped image. It was image.crop using this crop function, and the crop box, this must always come in as a tuple in bracket like this. Okay, and the output file name, then just save it with this file name, and that is all. It's that simple. When you're done, simply complete, and now we can run our program. So when it's done, we can go to where the folder is. So we see there's a folder already created called cropped, and then you have the pictures all cropped. So hope you enjoyed the video. You see how we use the Pillow library to do a lot of things. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you have not. Thank you for watching the video.